Fiscal regulations in Greece require that companies send electronic invoices to the tax authorities about any VAT-relevant information generated from their business transactions. SAP Document Compliance for Greece helps you to comply with these legal requirements with a minimum of effort. As a buyer, you use SAP Document Compliance for Greece to process the incoming electronic invoices. These invoices were submitted by the seller to My Digital Accounting and Tax Application, My Data, the online platform of the Independent Authority for Public Revenue for Electronic Books, eBooks. Let me show you that in the system. Go to the eDocument cockpit. You select the Greece incoming eBooks process and check the reference of the eDocument that you've already posted. Go to the Process eDocument Inbound Message Handling Customizing activity. You download the incoming invoices to your system. Then you check the eDocument GUI ID and eDocument type of the summary list eDocument you just pulled from My Data. You display the summary list eDocument to check individual incoming invoices pulled from My Data. Back in the eDocument cockpit, select the Greece My Data eBooks list process. You can see the summary list eDocument already exists in the eDocument cockpit with the eDocument created status. Check the individual incoming electronic invoices in the summary list eDocument. When you pull electronic invoices from My Data, a match process is automatically performed between the electronic invoices pulled from My Data and the electronic invoices posted by you. Go to the Greece incoming eBooks process and you find the eDocument status changes to match with My Data ebook. You click Display to check the mark of the eDocument. You create a classification list for all valid eDocuments by calling SE38 transaction. Then you check the eDocuments added to the classification list. Back in the Greece eBooks classification process, you can see that the eDocument has been created with the eDocument created status. And you can check the summary ID you created for classification. And click Display to check the XML file. Submit the classification list eDocument you just created. If everything is fine, you'll find the eDocument has been accepted by My Data. Back to the Greece incoming eBooks process. You see the incoming invoice has been updated with expense classified status. Read more about the search and actions in the help. You've seen how you use SAP Document Compliance to manage the incoming electronic documents for Greece. SAP Document Compliance is also available for other countries. Check out other videos in the Document Compliance playlist in YouTube. Get in touch if you have any feedback or questions.